So student, this time the question is the number of integral points. Integral points, it means the points whose coordinates should be an integer, both x and y coordinates, both. So the number of integral points exactly in the interior of the triangle with vertices 0, 21, 21, 0 and 0, 0 is. And your options are, the first option is 133, second option is 190, third option is 233 and the fourth option is 105. This question is question from IIT 2003 entrance examination. Now student, according to the question, it is given here there are three vertices of the triangle 0, 21, 21, 0 and 0, 0. So first of all we will draw the figure. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now we will draw the triangle because one of the vertex is origin. So this origin is fixed. The second coordinate is 21, 0. So it will lie on the x-axis. And the third coordinate is 0, 21. So it will lie on the y-axis. And to draw the triangle, now I am drawing the line which will pass through the point 21, 0 and 0, 21. Now student, we will write the equation of this straight line. That what will be the equation of the straight line AB? Suppose this is A, this is B. So now we will write equation of AB. So equation of AB is, because here the x-intercept is 21 and the y-intercept is also 21. So using the intercepts form, you can write x upon 21 plus y upon 21 is equal to 1. And hence you will get here x plus y is equal to 21. This is the equation. Now with the help of this equation and this figure, now we will plot the points which satisfy this given equation. It means which lie on this straight line. And these points are, see, one is 120, 1, one is 19, 2, 18, 3 and so on. It will be in this side, it will be 1, 20, 2, 19 and so on. In this way it will move. Now student, what we'll do, so just we will draw the line parallel to the y-axis. We will draw another parallel line from 2, 19. Same way we will draw from 3, 18 and so on. So we can draw here also this. You can see here this parallel line parallel to the y-axis intersect the x-axis at the coordinate 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0 and so on, 19, 0, 20, 0. Now we will see from 1, 0 to 120 how many points will lie whose coordinates is an integer. So you can see one of the point is 1, 1, one of the point is 1, 2, 1, 3 and so on. You can move here till 1, 19. That means on this straight line there are 19 points whose coordinates are an integer and those points will lie inside this triangle AOB. Same way you can move here. The first point is 2, 1, next is 2, 2 and finally the last one is 2, 18. So here there are 18 points on the second. On the third it will be 3, 1, 3, 2 and the last is 3, 17. So there are 17 points. And similarly when we move here only 1 point 19, 1 and here there is no point at all. So total number of integral points lies exactly inside the triangle AOB is, from the first line you will get 19 points, from the second line you will get 18 points, from the third you will get 17 points. So it will be 19 plus 18 plus 17 till it will be 3 plus 2 plus 1. You can write it 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 19. So using sum of first n natural numbers is 19 into 20 upon 2, which is equal to 190. So according to the option, your option number 2 is the correct option. Now student, I am taking one more example, one more questions already asked in IIT exam. So student, the question is, determine all values of alpha for which the point alpha comma alpha square lies inside the triangle formed by three lines 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, and 5x minus 6y minus 1 equal to 0. And your options are, first option is alpha belongs to minus 3 by 2 comma minus 1 open interval for both, union open interval half to open interval 1. The second option is alpha belongs to minus 3 by 2 open interval to minus 1 close interval, union half to 1 open interval. Third option is alpha belongs to minus 3 by 2 to minus 1 close interval and open interval, union half close to 1 open. And the fourth option is alpha belongs to open interval minus 3 by 2 to minus 1 open interval, union open interval half. And the fourth option is alpha belongs to open interval minus 3 by 2 to open interval minus 1, union close interval half to open interval 1. This question asked in IIT in year 1992. So now student, what we'll do here first, that first of all draw the figure. The figure is, there are three straight line which, so these are three straight lines. Suppose this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. This is point A, this is point B and this is point C. Now according to the question, the point alpha comma alpha square should lie inside this triangle. That is, anywhere it will be. Suppose I am taking here the coordinate of this point is alpha comma alpha square and this point I am taking as P. So this P alpha comma alpha square will lie inside this triangle. Now what will be the value of alpha? What will be the conditions on alpha? That you have to find out. So student, first of all, what we'll do, that we'll find these three vertices. Once you get these three vertices, then we will use, and the condition is 2 points will lie on the same side of the straight line or different side of the straight line. So I'm writing here, since given lines are 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, 5x minus 6y minus 1 is equal to 0. These are three straight lines. Suppose line 1, line 2 and line 3. Now we will find the point of intersection of these three, taken two at a time. So I'm solving here, solving 1 and 2. What do you get? The value of x and the value of y. We get x is equal to minus 7 and y is equal to 5. So from the figure you can see The point of intersection of line 1 and line 2 is minus 7 comma 5. Now we will solve the second and third. Now solving the equation number 2 and equation number 3. X is equal to 5 by 4 and y is equal to 7 by 8. Now we will solve the equation number 1 and 3. From the figure, this is the coordinate of C, 5 by 4 comma 7 by 8. Now solving 1 and 3, we get here the value of x as x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 upon 9. So from the figure, the coordinate of A is 1 upon 3 comma 1 upon 9. Now we will see in this figure, if we select the line 1, that is the line AB, the point P and the point C both lie on the same side of the straight line. On the same side of the straight line, so we will use the condition. Now for straight line 1, the point P alpha comma alpha square and the point C 5 by 4 comma 7 by 8, both the points will lie on the same side of the straight line. So when you substitute the point P and C on the straight line 1, it will give the same sign. So when you substitute 2 into alpha plus 3 into alpha square minus 1, this, and 2 into 5 by 4 plus 3 into 7 by 8 minus 1 will give the same sign. It means the product of these two should be greater than 0. So using the rule, if you substitute P in the straight line 1 and if you substitute C in the straight line 1, both will give the same sign. It means it will be 2 alpha plus 3 alpha square minus 1 and 2 5 by 4 plus 3 7 by 8 minus 1 will give the same sign. It means the product of these two should be greater than 0. Now we will simplify. 3 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1 into, in this case, it will be 33 by 8 into 0 is greater than 0. Hence, you will get here 3 alpha square plus 2 alpha minus 1 is greater than 0. Now we can factorize it. So it will be 3 alpha minus 1 into alpha plus 1 after factorization by splitting the middle term. So from here you can say alpha will belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 by 3 to infinity. This you will get, suppose, equation number 4th. This is using the one of the condition that the point P and C will lie on the same side of the line 1. Now we will consider the point P and the point A will lie on the same side of the line 2. So now since point P alpha alpha square and the point A, which is 1 by 3 1 by 9, will lie on the same side of line 2. So again using the same condition that when you substitute P and A in line 2, then it will give the same sign. Hence we will get here alpha plus 2 alpha square minus 1. Hence we get alpha plus 2 alpha square minus 3 into 1 upon 3 plus 2 into 1 upon 9 minus 3 is greater than 0. Hence we get here 2 alpha square plus alpha minus 3 into, after simplification, you will get here minus 22 upon 9 is greater than 0. Hence, 2 alpha square plus alpha minus 3 will be less than 0. Now, we will factorize this one. So, we will get 2 alpha plus 3 into alpha minus 1 is less than 0. From here, you will get alpha belongs to open interval minus 3 by 2 to 1 open interval. This we will suppose as fifth equation. Now we will consider the last third line. For the third line, the point P and the point B will lie on the same side. Now point P alpha square and B minus 7, 5 both will lie on the same side of line 3. So here also, when you substitute P and B in the straight line 3, both gives the same sign. So here we get 5 alpha plus 5 alpha minus 6 alpha square minus 1 into 5 into minus 7 minus 6 into 5 minus 1 is greater than 0. So from here, minus 6 alpha square plus 5 alpha minus 1 into minus 66 is greater than 0. Hence, 6 alpha square minus 5 alpha plus 1 is also greater than 0. And now we will factorize. So from here, you will get 3 alpha minus 1 into 2 alpha minus 1 is greater than 0. Alpha belongs to open interval 1 by 3, and hence, so alpha belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 3 union 1 by 2 to infinity. Now we will consider this as equation number 6. Now, because in all of these three cases, the alpha should satisfy all of these three. It means we will find out the intersection, the common reason, the common value for alpha from the equation number 4, 5 and 6. So therefore, we can write here from 4, 5 and 6. What will be the common reason? So for this purpose, I am just drawing the number line. This is the number line, minus infinity to plus infinity. Here we have numbers 1 by 3, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1, and in fourth it is minus 1 and 1 by 3. So here we will write one line, the one point is minus 3 by 2, the one point is minus 1, the one is 1 by 3, one is 1 by 2 and one is 1. Now from the reason number 6, it will be from half to infinity and from this side minus infinity to 1 by 3. I am writing here, this is 6. Now the fifth one is minus 3 by 2 to 1. So minus 3 by 2 to 1, this one is the fifth. And now I am writing the fourth one. Fourth one is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 upon 3 to infinity. So minus infinity to minus 1. So and 1 by 3 to infinity. This is the fourth one. Now in all of these fourth, fifth and sixth, we will find the common reason. So from the figure, student, you can identify the common reason is minus 3 by 2 to minus 1 and half to 1. And for all of these, we will use the open bracket. Hence, we can write here alpha belongs to. So from number line, you can write alpha belongs to minus 3 by 2 to minus 1, open interval, union, open interval, half to 1. Hence, now we'll see the question. In the question, The option is minus 3 by 2 to minus 1 union half to 1 open interval is given in the first option. So your option number first is the correct option. So option number first is the answer. Hope so, student, that you will understand both the questions, and now you can judge yourself that what is the label of IIT JEE entrance examination. In the next session, we will take multiple correct options questions in which more than one questions, more than one answers are correct, may be correct or maybe not. Thank you.